Hi, it's Junk Journaling Jen, and I'm back with Journal E. Okay, this is the last one of these 5. Okay, here we are. Now, I'm not sure, but this journal might already be sold, but I still wanted to show it anyway. So this is Journal E. And this is a sample of our organic goat milk soap. So I'm sending that, and this is the prayer rock, Jesus, my Lord and Savior. And this one actually has a date on it, April 2nd, 2019. Okay, and the rest is all just for you to see. Okay, so this is E. Now what we have here is we have the front cover with a collage pocket, the spine, there's the elastic, here's the back. These, I don't know if you can see them, but they're little cubic zirconians all the way around. They belong to a bracelet I had a long time ago. So I put those on each side, and that's what keeps our ribbon, our bow there, okay? There's the center. Pages. Okay. So here is the center. Okay, and let's go ahead and look inside. Okay, so we have our pockets and tucks. We're gonna put those to the side for a moment. Okay, so we have a pocket here and a big pocket here, and there's also a big envelope back here with the fabric, and then there is some special stuff in this envelope back here, which I'm not going to show you because it just depends on if this is sold. Okay, and then back here are some big journaling cards. Okay, and I didn't really ink this journal up. I really left it the lighter tones, okay? And there's all of the different patina paper clips with the buttons. We have the front, and this would be something you could use as a pocket, or I was thinking above, and then you'd have your bigger journaling cards that could just slide right underneath there. You also could have it as something that tucks inside this way. Okay, so there's that. Then we have this. Now this would go, for example, on a page, okay? But we're just gonna use this front cover because it's nice and solid. Okay, this would be it. Or you could do an upper tuck spot here. And actually, let's do this. Let's use this card. So up here, down here, down here, up there, okay? Same with this one. Same concept, okay? And on the reverse side, and then we have this one, same concept. This side, you could go this way or you could go that way, okay? Oh, and I love this color. I really like it this way, but you can flip it any way you like, okay? Then we have a pocket. Okay, remember you always can make it so that you glue here, here, and then there, and then you can make it a tuck there. So you'd have your journal card here, and then you'd have your tuck spot there, okay? So that is a possibility. Then you have here, okay? And then that folds out there. Okay. And then on this one, oh, actually you would need to seal this. So you seal it there. I may do that. I'll set that to a side to do that after this, okay? And then here you would do there and there. Or you could, just to give you an example of how many spots right here, okay? Just to give you an idea. I like that. I did that with the stencil and just a spray bottle. I learned that a long time ago from Paper Outpost. And then there's that. And I can't remember where I learned these folds. I know it was a mask making a lot of people were doing. And then here's another one. Tuck here. And then another one right up there. And then this back right here shows you how to put it together. Okay. All right, so there we have it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show you the pages, okay? So this is paper clip to a couple. There's that paper clip. Don't have much space on this one, so let's go through these. I'm gonna actually take all these off real quick. That's the hot pink, pearl. This button here has the same texture as this. This has the flowers on it, just like the journal. Oops, accidentally dropped that. Okay. Again, here's our little stones. Hope you can see that. And on the bottom here are these glass beads, which I have all on the front. Aren't those cute? Love those. Okay, so this flower, you can detach. So that can sit over there. And this flower actually detaches also too, which is really awesome. Okay, so then now all you have are your tags right here. And there's 3 tags here, and these have ribbons on them because of course I did create this for someone. So I did a little couple of things that, you know, not much though. All right, let's flip through these pages. So here's the cover. And these pages are gonna be much lighter. These are mostly tea dye. The tea is lighter. I notice coffee is much darker. That's Redeemed Ronnie. That's some of his art there. I just did a collage. Look out. Stencil. Yep, this is mostly tea. Like that. Coloring book. Anything your heart desires on these pages. Prayers, memory. I did a little bit there. Journaling. That was fun. That was a stenciling day, and then patina. That's what that is. It's both. It's our beads. There's the elastic. It's adjustable. There's the reverse side of our pages. There we go. Out front. The other side of that stencil. It's nice. Some motorcycles going by outside. There's some more of the tattoo roses. This one, oh, yep, it does. Flips out. See, wouldn't that be cool? You could do that too. If you cut it right. No, it's too big. Probably not that. But something. You could do something. They make it a little bulky there. That's fun. There you go. Hopefully I didn't get out of frame too much. And the back. Yay. We flipped through. Oh, it's been a long day. It's a lot of journals. Right, Ronnie? Last one. It's a lot of journals. All right. There you have it. That is this journal. It's beautiful. If you're interested in purchasing this journal, please look below at the description and just follow the instructions. Thanks so much for joining me. I appreciate it. Have a blessed night, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.